Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in the Roblox app on your Android phone. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain and saves battery life, especially if you use the app a lot at night. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, choose Account Info from the list of available options. Now, scroll down until you find the Theme option. Tap on Theme and select Dark. The app will update instantly, switching to dark mode. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a more comfortable Roblox experience with dark mode enabled. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.